welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Popson channel. Today, guys, I want to show you how to customize a motion premium theme in 2024 on your Shopify store. Now, this is a very amazing customization of a theme. So, if you know this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Comment down below also if you have any question. So, I don't want to waste your time. I move on to my Shopify store right now. This is my store. So I've already installed the motion theme on my Shopify store. So I just want to teach you how to customize the theme, the new customization in 2024 for your business. Now I click on online store. So after online store, I'm gonna see the theme. So I'll be able to like customize the theme. I will show you the step-by-step process on how to get it done. Right now, I scroll down. This is the motion theme. If you can see, the export, this is just like the latest motion theme. It is the latest. You can see the version as well. This is the latest motion theme. So I'm not publishing the theme currently right now. So I just want to like customize the theme first. Now click on customize. So I'll be showing you step by step. Just make sure you don't miss any step in this video so that you can understand everything in details. Now this is already the customization. You understand? The theme have already been customized, but I want to do it in another way. That'll be amazing. Now I'm going to be deleting all these step by steps, all this customization. I will delete everything and I'll start from scratch. So I'll just keep clicking on delete icon. So I'll delete everything. I want to start my own from scratch. I don't want to use the template. Great. As you can see, I've I've got all the template deleted. So I want to start my own from scratch right now. Let me click on save. Let me click on save here. So because I'm going to be starting from scratch for you guys, just make sure you don't miss any steps in this video. Now you can see this is where I want to work. This under this template. Under this template. I'm not working here, I'm working right under this template. Now the next thing for you to click is to click on add section. After clicking on add section, the first section you are going to add is the slide show. Now this is the slideshow. So you can see hero optional slideshow. Now first add this slideshow. This slideshow helps you, to display your product, your different kind of product, you understand, just like a banner, you understand. So it also serves as a first impression that your customer, your visitors will see immediately they enter your store. You understand? Now you'll have the opportunity to add as many as slide. You understand? Let's click on add slide. You can see add another slide. So you can see add another slide again. As you can see, so let's say for example you are like dealing with like a lot of products in your store. Let's say like fashion store, so you have a men's clothes, women's clothes, shoes, accessories, and a lot like that. So you have the opportunity to add up to like 5 slides on this slide show. So you can display the menswear here, you display the women's wear, the accessories, the shoes, jackets, sweaters, anything you use offering. So you have the opportunity to add like 5 slides. So which means when your customer enter your store, they can slide, they can keep sliding, you understand? Now, after this slideshow, what is the next thing? What is the next section you need to add? You need to click on add section again and add the future collection switcher. Future collection switcher. This is the future collection switcher. As you can see how it's displayed. Let me just add it for you to see it in full. You will see how the future collection switcher display now. Can you see? This is very much amazing. Now you have the opportunity to display up to like 2 collection instead of you displaying a single collection. So you can display like menswear for the collection 1, and you display like women's wear for the collection 2. So when the customer enter your store, when they click here, they see all the men's wear products. When they click here, they see all the women's wear products. So just click on. Let me just click save. Now I will move on to the next one. I click on the add section back again. The next section I'm going to add is the rich text. This is the rich text. Can you see the rich text? So let me add the rich text. This rich text is also amazing. So you have the opportunity to just explain a little bit about your brand or about your business. This rich text title, you can say like what make us so special, what differentiates you from others, others competitors. So you just have the opportunity to explain a little bit about yourself. Now, the next section you're going to add after you add the rich text, the next section is the collection list. So down below here, you can see collection list. So you click on collection list. This is also amazing. This section is also amazing. As you can see, I'm doing it step by step. Make sure you follow the step by steps. You're going to see your store, in a very attractive way. Now, this collection list, you can just say, okay, shop our collection, okay, shop our latest collection. Right here, you can use this for the men's wears collection. You can also use this for the women's wear collection. You can use this for the shoes collection, accessories, and a lot like that. So you have the opportunity, to use this collection list as you want. So it's very awesome, much amazing. Now, the next section you're going to add is this. After adding the collection list, the next section you're going to add is the fading image hero. Fading image hero. This is the fading image hero. Can you see? So I will add the fading image hero right now. This is the fading image hero. Great. Now, this fading image hero is also amazing, like I said. So you can display just like 2 to 3 products. You understand? So you display the image and you have the opportunity to add text to the product image as well. Let's say, for example, you display shoe image here. So you can add text that is related to the shoe. So that is all. And the next section you're going to hide after adding the fading image hero is the collection callout. Yes, let's find out the collection callout. Okay, this is the collection callout. Can you see the collection callout? So I'm going to be adding the collection callout right now. So you're gonna see how it looks. It's also amazing. You understand? And this is the collection callout. Let's it display now. Here you can just select a single collection. You understand? So after you select the collection, it will call out the rest of the products at the back. As you can see, how shoes, scarves, wristwatch, sunglasses, and back. You can see out it call out the products. That's why we call it collection call out. I guess what I'm saying. So now the next section you're going to add is after adding the collection call out is the large image with text. Large image with text. Let's find out the large. Okay, this is the large image with text. We also have large video with text, but I'm not using that. But if you know you want to use video instead of using image, you can use video. But I'm going to be using image. Choose large image with text. Make sure you follow. Make sure you're writing all the section down. Make sure you're putting it down. So I will be adding the large image with text. So you're going to see how it also look very amazing as well. Now, here you can just select a single product. So you add text that is related to the product you select. Don't select shoe and keep adding text that is related to sweaters or sunglasses. No, don't do that. Select sunglasses. Make sure you add text that's related to the sunglass that show the benefit of the sunglass. Now let's move on to the next section. Now I click on add section. After adding the large image with text section, the next one is future product. I think it is at the top. Now this is the future product. This is how the future product looks like. Let's see how it looks. I've already added it. So let's see how it will display. Great. Now this is the future product. So you have the opportunity to select just a single product right there. So it will display the price, the title of the product, the image of the product, the little description of the product. So that's all. Now the next section you're going to have after that is customer testimony. Customer test. This is customer testimony. So you click on it, you add the customer testimony. This is also much, it is also amazing. You understand? So you have the opportunity to display just yeah, customer reviews, like what people are saying about your product or about your business. You understand? So the next section you're going to add after the customer testimony is the logo list. Let's find out logo list. I think it is down below. Let's see down below here. Let's see more. Let's see more. Let's see more. Okay, great. This is the logo list. Can you see the logo list? So you click on the logo list, you have the logo list section. Now, what is the usefulness of this logo list? The usefulness is that you can add like there's something we call Shopify badge, like the trust badge, like a shipping badge. Just like okay, we do free shipping. Yeah, you can say we are trust and trusted. Yeah, you can say safe and secure, like payment safe and secure, and a lot like that. We are verified. You understand? So something like just like a badge, so you can add it. It's not like you're going to add your logo. You are adding like a badge, like image and all like that. So yeah, you add another section after the logo list. The next section you're going to have is the email sign up. Email sign up. Let's look for the email sign up. This is the email sign up, right? You click on the email sign up. Let's see how it looks. This email sign up is also very much amazing. You understand? It just acts as like a newsletter, for your customer to subscribe. So when they enter the email, they subscribe to your newsletter. That's just what it is. So after this email sign up, everything is done. So just click and save. This is how to customize a well amazing section. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So now we can also preview it. Let's try and preview this section, how how everything looks like. Let's see how it looks like. Very amazing. Now you can able to see it here. You can see we have a banner. We have like five banner, like if you remember, we actually had like five slide instance. So you can add like five banner that will display different kind of your product. The first can display the menswear, the second can display the women's wear, the third can display the accessories, the fourth, something like that. So the next one is the collection switch, if you remember. So here you can say men's wear, here you can say women's wear. Very simple. I have already explained all this to you. You can see how it looks amazing. You understand me? Can you see me? Wow, that's great. So very, very amazing. Now, immediately you started putting the product, the banner, the content, everything is going to look more effective and more amazing. Now, this is how to customize a web section. You understand? This is very much this is very much good. I've been using it for different kind of clients, different kind of my people, different kind of my customer to build up a successful online store. And whenever the customer get inside the store, they love the store. They actually love the store. Everything looks great. So thank you for watching my video. This is where we are going to stop for today. Thank you for watching the boxing video. So if you haven't subscribed before, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Okay, comment down below if you have any question based on this. You understand? Based on this section and stuff. But make sure you write everything down now. Don't forget the step by steps how I put in the section. You understand me? So thank you very much. Peace. Stay blessed.